Dennis Gross, and here are my top tips for your skincare. Number one, be consistent. Do something every day. Your skin will love the routine and your skin will look better if you're consistent. Number two, build collagen. That's the fiber in your skin that keeps it young looking. No matter what your age, you want to use products, use ingredients that have ingredients that are going to build that collagen for you. You will really be happy you did in the long run. Number three, here's what you should do. You really should fight free radicals. Those are the substances that cause damage that result in all those conditions you do not want. Things like melasma, fine lines and wrinkles, blemishes, redness, marks. Free radicals can be fought by certain ingredients, and that's the key. Look for the pillars of skincare. Vitamin C, phenomenal. Alpha and beta hydroxy acids, like alpha beta peel. Retinol, hyaluronic acid, and of course, LED. The goggles and the Faceware Pro, those are products and technology that do so many great things for your skin. This is what will make you look good.